In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a column in Smartsheet. If you've ever tried to adjust a column and found that you couldn't type, move, or reformat anything, chances are that column was locked. Locking is commonly used to protect your sheet structure, so only certain people can make changes. Unlocking is quick, but it's controlled by permissions. Typically, the sheet owner or admins can unlock a column, while editors and viewers can't. With that in mind, let's walk through exactly how to do it and what to look for. First, make sure you're viewing the sheet where the column lives and that the column headers are visible at the top. A locked column often shows a small lock icon on its header, or you may notice that structural actions feel restricted. That's your cue that it's protected. Now, hover your mouse over the header of the column you want to unlock. It's important to be on the header itself, not inside a cell, so the correct menu appears. When your cursor is over the header, right-click to open the context menu. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click, and on some devices you can hold Control while clicking. In the menu that pops up, choose Unlock Column. The moment you select it, Smartsheet removes the protection, and the column becomes editable just like any other. That's all there is to it. A few quick checks can help if something doesn't look right. If you don't see the Unlock Column option, you may not have the permission level required to make structural changes on that sheet. In that case, the option may be missing or grayed out. Also, confirm you click the header and not a specific cell, since the cell menu won't show column-level actions. After unlocking, you'll notice you can edit cells, adjust formatting, and use features like formulas and drop-downs in that column without limitation. Remember that unlocking takes effect for everyone who has access to the sheet. So plan your changes thoughtfully and communicate with your team if the column controls something important, like key dates, task status, or drop-down values. Smartsheet saves changes automatically, so there's no extra save step to worry about. If your organization tracks structural adjustments, you can rely on the activity log to review when a column was unlocked and by whom. That's the entire process. Hover over the column header, right-click, and select Unlock Column. Simple, fast, and done. With this in hand, you can safely manage your sheet structure whenever you have the right permissions.